Hello everyone, I am back with my new video which is 5 tips and tricks for Samsung mobile. So please subscribe my channel, hope you like this video and let's get started. So the first tip is the high contrast keyboard. So in this tip you have to go to the settings and then type high contrast keyboard and then click on it and then on it. So from here you can change different types of keyboards. So the second tip is the apps button tip. You have to go to the settings and then go to home, search for home screen and then go to home screen and then allow apps button from here. So now you can see there is an icon here. So if you press it you can directly go to the apps. So this is a shortcut. So the third tip is the clock style tip. So you have to go to settings and then search for clock style and then click on it and go to clock style, lock screen, and now you can see that you have multiple options, like you can put this for home screen, different types of clocks. So I am putting this only, and you can change the color also from here, like blue. So the fourth tip is the smart stay tip. So in this you have to go to settings and then write smart stay, then click on it and then go to smart stay. Now if you on it, now without touching, if you see it for a long time, so it will not close and the phone will not close and it will remain open. So this is the smart stay tip. So the last tip of this video is the navigation bar tip. So in this tip you have to go to settings and then search for navigation bar. Then you have to click on it and then you have to go to navigation bar, and now you can switch these home buttons like I have switched these. So if I go to this 3 line, so I can see all the slides. So now if you I am putting this only, and if you want the slide that full screen gestures one, so you can also do this, and from here you can, if you slide this, so the slides will come, and then if you slide this, so you can go back to the home screen, and if you slide this, so you can go back. So this is the fourth tip, and this is one, there is one more tip in this, that there is more options. So from here you can put one only. So from here you can go directly to home screen. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching.